On all the side panels, you do this same thing on both the front, on both the bottom and the top. So again, I'm removing the plastic film. Make sure that I get that off. And I have short nails, so it's sometimes not so easy. Like that. Pick that back. It's very static. Put my same clip over. Make sure that I'm doing it the same way as previously. So I'll set it in the middle. Take another one of the glazing bars, making sure that I have the same length, because there are some that are a little bit different. And then I roll that again over it. And sometimes it goes a little easier. See, this one goes easier than I was struggling with the bottom. There. Now we remove all the film. And then we are ready to install this panel into the greenhouse. Next, we are going to insert a panel into part of the frame. These panels are all for the side wall. So you set it between the two glazing bars, and you may use your toe otherwise and push it a little bit down so that the clip at the bottom goes over the frame of the greenhouse. Then the same thing at the top. You, with your hands, bend the panel a little bit in the middle so that you can get it in at the top. You might have to just bend it also a little bit, and then guiding it with your thumb, get it in there, and then push it up and push the whole panel in place. Once you have got the panel in place, the metal clip over the inside and over here in the bar, you insert these spring clips. I call them like a W, and the two bottom parts of the W, these little circular parts, they go basically between the polycarbonate and the glazing bar metal. So you want to put 4 on each side. You want to put one relatively close to the top, one to the bottom, and then 2 spaced evenly in the middle. What you do is you hook your one finger that sticks out underneath the rib into the little channel of the glazing bar. Make sure that those little notches at the bottom of the V go into the go between the polycarbonate and the bar, and then using your fingers you pop the other part underneath as well. Here you have to be a little bit careful, maybe wear glasses, because if you put pressure on the springs and they pop out, they can pop all over the place. And then you do another one at the bottom. I hook it usually in like that, behind the bar, set the flat part on top of the polycarbonate, and then use my other finger to hold. They will slide quite a bit still, but once you put both pieces in, they won't slide anymore. Okay, now they're pretty strong and tight, and then I put 2. I will use a total of 4 on each side, definitely on the sides, like there, and here's more. And you do that on both sides, on both sides of the glazing. You don't do it on the top or the bottom, just on the sides.